Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and now we are going to talk about how to make temporary intro using just two apps. No roots. Now these two apps is Legend and Fillmore Grove. First, we're going to Legend. These apps can be downloaded to Google Play Store for free. Now I just type in my name, my channel, then pick up my colors. I told this a temporary intro because it has limited choices. This one I used, I think this one. I hate the background triangles, so I'm finding the best still now. So going to use in black and white. So click the share button if you have Google account, and if does not work for you, just go here, save as video. So hit that like button if this tutorial helps. Then next method is go to Filmora, go, then create new video and click that legend there. 6 seconds. Issues about this is sometimes if you make your video, it has Filmora Go and maybe 5 seconds of your video. There we go. Now we are going just to add some music. Click that add button. Maybe this. It's okay. Click that okay. Then play with the. I'm using headset right now, people. Guys, I'm using headset so you can't hear the music, but it rhymes. So if you wanna add some more, I'll blur this one. Then nothing new. Use the 16 to 9. Then you can maybe slow it down, not that slow, maybe this slow, or fast speed, like that. No, like that. So if you can trim it, guys, I'm gonna want this 2, 3, 4, then go for normal, then go for fast, and go slow again. It's an experiment, guys. Then you go and click OK. Then nothing to do more. Filters now. Subtitles, stream group. Okay, click that save button there. Then saving the project. Blah blah blah. Then please watch my other videos, my gameplay videos, my gaming videos, my tutorial videos, and subscribe for more videos. Then invite your friends. Watch your family, friends, and your squad. Watch my videos. So we're done. Saving the project 99.9. Okay, this is the issue, guys. This is the issue, guys. I told you this is the issue. There is a second that uses and just pops Filmora Go. So just use KineMaster, Power Director, Viva, Video, some editing, then remove its watermark, blah blah blah. So that's it for tonight, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.